recording on this one. Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Can I open gun legend? No.
Alright, so I'm gonna... Alright, so...
Zoe,
Alright, guys.
you're only saying hi.
So I'm gonna do my intro, so you guys can just be like chilling, just like checking out your stuff.
Read it.
Alright, it is going. Alright, 3, 2, 1. What's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk today. I'm back with another video. In this video, I got my cousins and my sisters. We're here to unbox the Google Home Minis and the Amazon Echo Dot. Let's go.
Echo Dot, yeah.
You're so confident.
That's my intro, yeah.
Love that.
That's what I've always done. Alright, so then...
It's still recording.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, good. You should keep that.
Yeah, this can be just like the random cam. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm just gonna explain real quick and then you guys can. And so can I share? This is awkward. We just standing here.
Just stand. Just stand.
No,
Yeah, it's my
Zoe, you
video.
just said you'd say hi.
Well, I'm unboxing.
No, I think Jordan should unbox.
Yeah, I kinda, yeah.
He paid like $40 for this.
Okay, so you should be the one to stand up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, why don't you pull in another chair next to here? So get another chair.
You're not gonna be seen.
I'm gonna have to do so much.
But do you have
this
something in your
video.
hand to turn it
It's
on?
gonna be awesome.
I'm so
Not for my phone, but for this camera right
There's not space here. Push. You're gonna have to squish. No.
Yeah, put that in with the intro.
Yeah.
Actually do it.
I like this spot to shoot. This is actually really good.
Now you're covering Sarah.
Let's
Sarah's
go.
Make sure it's back. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna be unboxing some Google Home Minis and the Amazon Echo Dot, as I said. So Anna, you can start with your Google Home Mini.
Oh, that tape.
That was so satisfying.
Ooh. Smooth.
Yeah, so she's got the charcoal, as with the other guys, because we went to Best Buy and we couldn't find the any other colors. It is what it is. Jack them up, you can bust yours open. Nice.
Dude,
Let's get started.
Ah.
Almost some.
Ooh, orange bottom.
Yeah.
There's the cable. So, and you guys, if you've seen any of my other videos, I did a unboxing on this and a full review. So if you want to go through all the specs, go see that, or go to bestbuy.ca. That's where I got these. Sarah's opening hers now.
I know how to do this.
I'm so weird.
I'm professional.
How is such a weird?
I know how this works.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, hello. We have a Google Home Mini. That's exciting.
Yeah, exciting stuff.
Fresh.
Oh yeah.
Also
You
cable.
might get sued by
Charles. I will not.
Just
Here's
place that
the let's get started. That's exciting.
Ooh. You're gonna
And
say it like I'm like.
and the cord.
Yeah,
No,
nice.
it's not.
Alright, so I've got the Amazon Echo Dot here. This is the main focus of this because I haven't done an unboxing on this. Pop that open. So before we go, it's got Spotify, Amazon Music, all that good stuff. Comes with a power adapter, micro USB cable, and the Echo Dot itself. And then it's from Amazon. You can ask it all kinds of stuff, similar to these, which I will demonstrate in a future video. So in the box, we got the Echo Dot itself.
Oh, nice.
There's the plastic.
Oh my gosh, I feel like
You talk in such a specific way.
Yeah, and then
You can edit it out. It's fine.
Oh well, yeah, this is gonna be lots of editing in this video. It's
yeah.
all good though.
Nice.
So you got the buttons there, power on the back, and aux cable for plugging in other speakers or your phone, which is pretty cool. Nice clicky buttons, I like that. Also in the box, let's see what else you get. Echo Dot, structure manual. Don't need that, it's pretty simple. And
Look at this thing.
warranty,
Oh yeah.
things to try, nothing exciting there. And then also, in the bottom of the box, way down in the bottom
I
of
like
the
the
box.
packaging. I like the
Enjoy
Yeah.
your favorite music.
Sorry.
And this is, wow, this is a really big power adapter.
Whoa, it's a thick boy.
Yeah, so it's plastic with a gloss black finish, which I'm not crazy about because it scratches ridiculously easily.
Look at
Should I
this.
pass it
Look
on?
at this. Look at this. Question. questions.
Oh,
I'm excited
nice.
for answers.
And it's micro, oh, not micro USB. I lied.
What?
So it's got this proprietary connection, which I don't really like. Fancy word, I don't know. Yeah.
Big words, man.
Yeah, so it's a 15-watt brick, which is definitely very kind of similar to the cables. Yeah, see this?
Here it is.
Yeah, and it's got it
Oh,
there.
yeah.
There's the plugs side by side. This one is mad big. So
Not big, wow. It's
Interesting.
not big.
yeah, let's keep it moving.
Wait. Oh.
That's gonna be the longest unboxing sequence ever.
Oh my god, of course it is. Hey!
4 minutes long, 4:49.
Do we have to do anything else? We should do us like.
There's no Wi-Fi down here though, so it won't. Wait. Turn it on. I'm gonna go like this. This should be
Oh, this one's
ending.
still recording.
I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna go like this.
Nah,
Nice.
you can do that from your seat. That'd be funny. I'm just trying to think what else I can do. I went over all the specs, unboxed them, so I'm gonna.
Stop.
I think guys. So I think we'll end it in this next clip. So I'll be like, so that's the Google Home Minis and the Amazon.
Last things to say. Anna, Zoe, Sarah, and then me.
Maybe I'll ask you guys what you think about it. First impressions.
Okay.
Something like that. Just-
It's real funky. I'm the last one to say. I'm the last one to say. Okay, it's gonna be Anna, and then Sarah, and then Jordan and me.
Is that like a thing? Like the
Yeah, it's called a reggae horn.
I'm hungry. That's a mood and a half. Me too, dude.
What's this?
Anna's gonna say about it, Sarah's gonna say about it, Jordan's gonna say about it, and then I'm gonna say about it.
Ow. Kind of sucks that it can't be like Bluetooth or whatever,
That's
or like
true.
wireless.
Yeah, well there's one that you can get that's wireless, but it's not from Google, it's from another company.
That's no.
All of the Google ones have to be plugged in.
Yeah.
That's unfortunate. That's what I will say.
This is
In my
cool.
review.
I don't know. Alright guys, so
It's thicker.
See? What's the she's thick? She's thick. Okay.
oh boy.
Okay.
Boy.
Next one. Someone say something.
Okay, so I don't like that you have to plug it into the wall. 'Cause
True. Well,
it just looks so much more slick like this, you know what I'm saying? And then this one, look, I think I like this one better just by looking at it because at the top these are buttons, but on here you just tap it.
That's true.
And I think I like that better.
yeah.
So
I
this
feel
is,
that.
I don't know.
A little more
It just
simple.
looks more slick.
Yeah.
This just looks kind of, I don't know, it's not as nice.
Yeah, Zoe, what about you?
Okay, so I think for this one, I actually kind of like the buttons because whenever I like try to play music on your Google Home, I like don't know where to put plus on it, so
Yeah.
I'm like touching it everywhere.
Yeah.
And I kind of
is-
like
there
where
are
to press it,
Instructions.
and I like that. But one thing I don't like about it, how it's like I like how it has kind of like an oval shape on the top, and this is kind of just like flat. So I don't really like that.
It's just, it's more aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah.
Totally. I don't know. I like how small it is for sure. I like how like it's smooth all the way around. Like with the dot, it's like it's got I don't know. It's just like it's a weird. It's kind of looks like a hockey puck.
True.
I don't know. And I also don't. I'm also not a fan of the buttons. I just think like this, just like with the kind of fabric on
Yeah.
top, just looks
More
slicker.
minimal. Yeah, that's
More
fair.
minimal, but I totally agree with Anna about the wire. If it was wireless, that would be amazing. So
If you're watching,
maybe in the future.
wireless Google Home Mini.
Thank you,
Please.
Google. Yeah.
Please.
So yeah, that's how I feel.
Yeah, Giacomo? Go ahead.
I think it's really nice because this you just have to tap and this you just gotta press the buttons. And I think this is really nice.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
So I've been using the, it's all good, we're having fun.
We're putting that last email.
Alright, yeah, so I haven't tried this out yet, but I'm gonna set this up, we'll set these up and let you know in a future video, some future thoughts. Yeah, let's keep it moving.
That was nice.
Love that.
Thank you. Thank you very
301.
much.
This is already like 8. This is like a 10-minute video already.
So you're gonna edit stuff out.
I'm watching this. If you don't put my nice glass, I'm gonna come to
Alright, so I'm
you.
gonna wrap up. So I'm gonna do my outro, and then you guys can say peace out over. Because
What a bee.
at the end I always say peace.
No,
So
what a bee.
That's what the English ones say.
Peace from the hip.
They say peace.
a lot of people say that. Like,
Peace from the mountain warehouse.
Do not
what's
do
this been?
this.
10 minutes. This has been
Do this.
recording for. This is like the meme camera that I just like throw in once in a while.
Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah. Jack, we get these things.
Peace from the mountain warehouse.
No, no,
Academy.
no.
Jack.
Do it from
I was kind of shady at points towards people. I was like,
No.
you just do like a zoom in. It's fun times.
I'm a Chamberlain moment.
Jack, why did you go sit?
It's so weird.
Fun. Having fun.
Okay.
Funny. This video, like, they're gonna see like the most of my personality they've ever seen. Like, cause I'm pretty like calm and like.
Blah, blah, blah.
Your phone while we're shooting a video. Unprofessional.
I'm hungry.
You should put that. I'm hungry.
Yeah, well, we'll see how I do with this. All right. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.
Peace.
That was nice.
Jack. You're an ass crack.
That was noise.
That was nice.
Alright, I'm going
Oh, it wasn't recording. No!
Okay,
Wait a minute,
let's
wait.
do it again.
Heckin' balls.
I want to set it up in my room.
Was none of it recording?
Oh no, I did get it.
Oh, okay.
So you got me saying nice?
Maybe.
Alright, so are we good?
Saw you blowing the kiss. That was funny.
Wait, can I say that?
Alright. Bye, so talk today. Thanks for having us.
Here's a-